So guys, this plant is called Vervain here in Jamaica. Some Jamaicans also call it Vervain, but it doesn't matter, it's the same plant. It's a very powerful medicinal plant and it has amazing health benefits. And today I'm going to be sharing some of those health benefits and showing you how to make tea from freshly harvested leaves. So keep watching, I'll be right back. Vervain overview. Vervain has been around for ages. It has flowers that can either be white, lavender, blue or purple. And it's native to tropical America, but it's now widespread in Central America, here in Jamaica, as well as the rest of the Caribbean, East and Southern Asia, as well as the Pacific. The leaves, root and flowers can all be used as medicine. The scientific name for Vervain is Stachytarfeta Jamiecensis, and it's a part of the verbenaceae family, and it goes by many different names, and some of these names are as follows: Brazilian tea, blue porterweed, Jamaica vervain, blue snakeweed, bastard vervain, and light blue snakeweed. Health benefits of Vervain. Vervain is literally one of the most wonderful gifts of God in the healing of diseases. This is a medicinal plant that all of us should have in our homes for immediate use when it's needed. It's a panacea for many, if not all, upper respiratory issues. It's an excellent tea for fever, and just 1 cup of the hot tea every hour will be one of the best remedies for a fever. It's also a good tea for things like asthma, influenza, and chronic bronchitis. It's an excellent tea for pneumonia, and it can often cure colds overnight and sore throats, remove phlegm from the throat and chest. Plus, it's a good remedy for shortness of breath as well as wheezing. We are living in very stressful times right now, and many of us are sufferers of anxiety as well as sleeplessness. Vervain tea is the answer to these problems. And all you need is just 1 cup of this tea for calming you down. And it will cause you to sleep like a baby too. It's also useful for mood swings, depression, and insanity too. And it can also protect our livers and kidneys from bacteria and treat bladder infections. In addition to that, it can act as a pain reliever, so it can help with arthritic pain, for example, as well as pain that is brought on by kidney stones. It also has anti-parasitic properties, and it can also lower bad cholesterol as well. Vervain is rich in zinc, and zinc is needed by our bodies so that our reproductive systems can function at optimum, and that's both male and female reproductive systems. It can lower blood pressure as well, and it's also an excellent tea for bloating and period cramps. In addition to that, it can act as a detoxifying agent by helping our bodies to remove excess urine as well as salt and fat. It's also a good tea for oral health because it can help with issues like bleeding gums, mouth ulcers, as well as bacterial infections, and there are even more health benefits as well. How to make Vervain tea. Alright guys, so for this recipe you're going to need either 1 tablespoon of green Vervain leaves or 1 teaspoon of dried Vervain leaves and about 1.5 cup of water. And I usually use honey as my sweetener, but for you, you can use the sweetener of your choice and you sweeten to taste. Serving size 1. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon green leaves or 1 teaspoon dried leaves. Honey, and 1.5 cup of water. So the first thing that you need to do is to wash your leaves properly. Then pour water into pot and put to boil. Add leaves to boiling water, cover the pot and boil for approximately 30 seconds. Turn off flame and steep for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Then strain liquid into a cup and sweeten to taste. And if you so desire, you can have your tea without sweetener as well. The choice is yours. There you have it, guys. Freshly brewed Vervain tea. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and a comment. And if you'd like to see more videos like these in the future, then please click on the link right here so that you'll be able to subscribe to my channel. And please turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.